Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Goal-seek requires a formula that uses the input value to give result in the target value. Then, by varying the input value in the formula, goal-seek tries to arrive at a solution for the input value. Goal-seek works only with one variable input value.
Take our lead.
The multi-cell goal-seeker add-in for Microsoft Excel allows you to get goal-seek solutions to many spreadsheet cells at one time by automating the goal-seek function. It is compatible with Microsoft Excel 2007 to 2019 and Office 365.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Click Data greater than what if analysis to goal-seek. Click OK to run the goal-seek. Excel will now try to identify a possible solution and update cell E12 accordingly. Click OK again to close the goal-seek dialog box.
Take our lead.
Use the count function in a formula to count the number of numeric values in a range. In the above example, A2, A3, and A6 are the only cells that contains numeric values in the range, hence the output is 3. Note, A7 is a time value, but it contains text A, M, hence count does not consider it a numerical value.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.